What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking this one out. But today I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna show you why your Corvette Z06 needs Corsa exhaust. Now, all right, back in the day, this is how I fell in love with Z06s. All right, I seen a cammed one, sounded amazing. I had to have it, so I finally had it. Then I had a 2003 Cobra, and had a Whipple on it, and I raced the heads cam intake C6Z. Long story short, it didn't go well. So I got beat, but it sounded amazing. And I was like, what exhaust is on that thing? And it was Corsa. Ever since then, I always said I wanted a Z06 and it had to have Corsa on it. So finally got it. Fast forward a couple years later, finally got it. Got the Z06, got the Corsa, and I'm in love. It sounds great. But now, of course, they make the Corsa Extreme for the Z06, and now I have to get that. So I don't know when I'm gonna get it, but hopefully soon, and you can bet I'm gonna make a bunch of videos about that. So if you get annoyed or you get pissed off with my cold start videos or the exhaust videos, tough shit. I don't know what to tell you. This is why your Corvette Z06 needs Corsa. So this is just a bunch of clips I threw together, a bunch of idling videos, some racing, some normal driving, and some wide open throttle pulls. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And thanks for checking this one out. Start this one off by going for a little ride. Let you guys hear the exhaust while it's in the car, driving, cruising around, maybe some pulls here and there, depending on the weather. It's pretty shitty out right now. Cloudy. It might even be drizzling right now, but I'll be all right. I'm gonna see if I can floor it under my favorite tunnel over here. Or overpass, whatever you want to call it. See if you guys can hear it. This thing just went straight sideways. sorry for the long video, guys, but I hope you enjoyed some of the footage and some of the videos and got to kind of like experience, you know, what the exhaust sounds like, what the car sounds like. But you got to keep in mind, you know, my car's not your average Z06, so not everybody's going to have, you know, the big cam, long tubes, off-road X-pipe. But yeah, if you have a similar car, similar setup, similar exhaust, that's pretty much what it will sound like. And I highly recommend it. It's a great system. Quality is just amazing, and it fits great, fits perfect. So if you're looking for an exhaust for your Vette, don't hesitate to go with Corsa, and you won't regret it. So thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I hope, you know, it didn't bother you. It was too long and too boring, but I got some more content coming for you soon. Some good races coming up, and you definitely don't want to miss them. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.